Ther Missile ka North Korea hadin ka Jingkem ka US ya Maduro. Hadin ka Jingkem Nicolas Maduro presiden jo ka Venezuela. Bat ka lok jong ka sile Flores sa kichpa US. Ther ka North Korea daki ballistic missile ka Duriau. Kemudian hafdeng jo ka South Korea bat ka Japan. Kajing Ther Missile ka North Korea ya ka Duriau jo ka South Korea bat ka Japan. Kadai kajing aidak ban persya ya ka Jingkem ka US ya Nicolas Maduro. Namar Nicolas Maduro udah paralok bajan bah jong Kim Jong Un. Presiden jo ka North Korea. Kajing penting kan North Korea daki missile ya ka South Korea bat ka Japan. Kadai namar bakine artillery kiri ki paralok jo ka US. Nagaliang jo ka North Korea kala persya jur ya ka Jingkem ka US ya Maduro. Badada bakla. Kasaki ka tapa ka bahe apdeng jo ka US bat kiri ka bayadai paralok bat Maduro.
North Korea launched at least 2 ballistic missiles toward the east from near its west coast between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock this morning. As for the details, Japan, the US, and South Korea are currently working closely together to analyze the situation, but we estimate that the missiles fell outside Japan's exclusive economic zone in the Sea of Japan. In addition, there is a possibility that both ballistic missiles flew on irregular trajectories, and we are continuing to analyze this. The first missile was launched at around 7:54 a.m., reached a maximum altitude of about 50 kilometers, and flew approximately 900 kilometers. The second missile was launched at around 8:05 a.m., reached a maximum altitude of about 50 kilometers, and flew approximately 950 kilometers. Regarding this launch, our country lodged a stern protest and strongly condemned North Korea through the embassy route in Beijing. Whatever their intentions may be, North Korea's nuclear and missile development threatens the peace and stability of our country and the international community, and is absolutely unacceptable. The Ministry of Defense will continue to make every effort to gather information, analyze and conduct surveillance and monitoring of North Korea's military activities, working closely with the United States and other partners.